So myself, Divyang, I am working as a senior digital marketing manager for an activewear brand, Fuaark. It's a Surat, Gujarat-based brand. So earlier, for customer retention and engagement, there were only two channels that we were using, SMS and email. Considering the engagement rate of both those channels, we were not really, were able to optimize our customer retention or repeat rate. So that was the very first challenge. Yeah. So at the very initial stage, when I was looking for a retention tool, I spoke to multiple channels, but somewhere I felt that I need some hand holding, since every tool has a different interface, a different way of setting up things. So we would require that first that hand holding in the initial stage in order to start the campaign, optimize the campaign, get that desired. To BIK, I got that feeling that yes, the team is really proactive. They helped me a lot initially, to set up the tool, to set up my first journey campaigns. And that time I felt that let's start with this, because we don't really keep changing our retention tool every quarter or 6 months or 1 year. We are looking for a long-term solution. Sure. So BIK has helped me to increase my customers' engagement rate, and hence the conversion rate and repeat rate. If we speak about numbers, then earlier we were using a tool which was giving. So while using that tool, our customer repeat rate was somewhere around 20 to 25%. It's been hardly 3 months since we have started using BIK. We have started our WhatsApp as a channel. After getting BIK live, if I will have to tell you my numbers for the last 3 months, I'm already seeing a repeat rate of 30 to 35%. So yeah. So as I told you, the support team had played a very strong role in order to get BIK live. And after taking it live, the team has helped me a lot in order to setting up my customer journey, setting up campaigns, optimizing those campaigns, creating new segments, all of that. So the very first feature is that I get each and every possible event and property, which I can use to create customer segment, which I can use to create a journey as a triggering point. So that is a very useful feature. First, second, the analytical dashboard. So it gives me a complete picture of my campaigns and journeys. That what is the ROI that I am getting from that particular campaign or journey. What is the revenue number that I am getting? What is the interaction rate? So all of those critical numbers, I can easily see that on the dashboard. So that is a very nice feature. And the last feature is, of course, the team, which is helping me to setting up campaigns. I strongly recommend BIK to any of my connections. The support, the tool itself, all of that. Yeah.